how to use video emails to convert clients easily and also to stand out from your competition. If you are a freelance digital marketer or a digital marketing agency owner, then don't miss this video. If you stay till the end, I'm going to reveal the exact step-by-step process as to how I create a video email, send it to clients and close high-ticket digital marketing deals. I'm also going to reveal the exact video script just for you. So don't miss this video. If you are new here, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. It will help me reach more people like you and help them grow their freelance digital marketing or digital marketing agency business. Welcome to Alpha Marketer. I'm your host Anthony and this is your go-to show, Becoming Alpha Marketer. And we are entering episode number 19. Now, before we talk about video emails, let's understand what is the normal procedure most freelancers or digital marketing agency owners follow to get clients. Okay, so if we understand this process, then we will be able to differentiate ourselves by sending a video email. So to start with, how most people send cold emails. Okay, the first step is they get email addresses of the clients in their niche. Now, how to get email addresses of the clients in your niche? I have done a separate video for that. You can find the link of the video somewhere in the above the video or below in the description. So do check that out. So you have a lot of tools for that, like Lusha.com, Snowb.io, Get Prospect, and even LinkedIn. Okay, so these are all amazing platforms with which you can actually scout for email addresses of your potential clients. That's the first step. Second step is then what they do is they have a script. They just copy paste the script, one size fits all, and send it to all the clients they have in that list. Okay, there is no personalization, there is no human connection, and the clients can actually sense it. Okay, just imagine the client is someone who is in the receiving end and they are getting cold emails from you, from your competition, not only from your country, from all across the world. Okay, so they are getting these cold emails every day and they're tired of same copy pasted emails. Okay, so because of that, they ignore you and your email ends up in the junk. Okay, so no value if you don't have any personalization and if there is no human connection. Okay, now that is where video email comes into picture. So how do you send video email? Again, we have a process. First, we need to set the right tool to record a video. I will be giving you my recommendation, so wait till the end. Number two, then you have to use a winning script. So I've developed this script. I've been doing this for some time now and I'm getting some amazing results with my script. So I'm going to share that exact script step by step, word by word, which you can use. But again, I'll say don't blindly copy it. Take that script, customize it according to the client that you're reaching out, according to the niche that you're reaching out. Okay, so that is step number two. And step number three, of course, with that tool and with the script, shoot a video confidently. Okay, because what you're going to do is actually sales, and when you are doing sales you should be very confident. It's a video, so you don't have to worry. It's not live, it's recorded. So confidently pitch for the sale, and once you're done, send the video. Okay, so how do you do it? First of all, the tool, my recommendation is Vimeo Record. There is a free tool, okay, given by Vimeo. Vimeo is a very popular video hosting platform, and recently they launched their screen recording tool called Vimeo Record. That's my first recommendation. Second recommendation is Loom. Okay, Loom is also a video recording or screen recording software, and both these softwares are free. You can get them as a Chrome plugin. Just install the plugin on your Chrome browser and hit record. So you don't require any fancy equipment. If you have a good web camera and a laptop, that's enough. Okay, so no fancy equipment, Again, there's a lot of myth around creating videos. Creating videos has become very, very easy today. So don't give any excuses. Record video to get that human connection, and actually this is what makes you stand out from your competition. Okay, because many people are not doing video, they're afraid of video. Okay, when everybody's afraid of video, when you do video, you stand out. Okay, now once you have the tool, let's jump into the video email. Okay, so I'm going to give you the exact script. You can just read the script out and understand the science behind the script, how I've used human psychology in this, how I've used personalization in this. Once you use it effectively, then it becomes very easy for you to get clients. Okay, so first of all, it starts with hi client name. So basically you're going to call out the client name. Now, unlike emails, when people know that it is easy to copy paste the customer's name, now when it's a video, when you're calling out their name specifically, it feels that you have specifically created a video for them. That's next level of personalization. Okay, so you call out their name, hi XYZ, hi Ram, hi Benjamin, hi Clifford, hi Emma, whatever be the name of the client. Just call out the name with confidence. Okay, and then say thanks for accepting my invite and connecting with me on LinkedIn. I'm so happy to connect with you. I wanted to reach out to this video to tell you that I happened to check out your website. Just tell the website name of theirs. Okay, it's really well designed and visually appealing. Now you're just complimenting them. Okay, nobody likes saying that your website is horrible. Okay, so compliment them and then say, I also saw that you are running Facebook ads for getting online sales. Okay, so now you talked about their website and you also talked about the source where they are generating traffic. Okay, now you can say, this is great. While looking at your website, I found that there's a lot of room for improvement in terms of increasing the online sales and making the most out of the money you spend on Facebook. Okay, this line is powerful. Every client wants to hear this line. They want to know how they can increase their sale and how they can reduce the cost on the platform they are spending money on. Okay, so you need to really confidently tell this line. Okay, then you are now offering help. In fact, I have made a note of 10 simple steps you can implement on a website right away that can easily increase the return on ad spend by 50%. Okay, now I'm not making a bold claim here which is unlikely. I know that I can get that 50% increase in ROAS because I've been doing this with multiple clients. So I'm confident, because when I see a client's website and their Facebook ads, I know what all mistakes they are doing. And by judging that, by seeing those website and Facebook ads, I can know that if I make the fixes, I can easily get 50% increase in the ROAS. Okay, so that's why I confidently tell that. You tell what number you can get them. Okay, and be confident in that. Okay, and then tell that I will be more than happy to share these 10 suggestions with you over a Zoom call, and I expect nothing in return. Okay, now you are reassuring that I am happy to offer help and I don't want anything. So this is what we call providing value first. Okay, I'm not pitching for a sale. I'm just saying that I saw your website, there is room for improvement, and I made a note of 10 things that you can implement right away, and I'm willing to share that with you. Right? That's what I'm saying. And I'm asking them to get on a Zoom call with me, and I have no expectation, zero expectation. I'm not going to charge money for this. It's free. Okay. I help e-commerce brands in growing their revenue. And when I saw your website, I felt there's a huge opportunity to grow your brand. Let's get on a 30-minute Zoom call, and I will share these 10 simple strategies to increase your return on ad spend by 50%. So again, I'm reiterating what is that they are going to get. Okay, so it's not about me getting that order or the deal. It's about how I can help them get more results. That's the whole idea behind this video script. Okay, and then I give them the meeting link. Generally, I use Calendly. Calendly is a tool where people can book an appointment with you, and then your name. Okay, so this is the script. Guys, follow the script, customize it according to the client that you're reaching and the niche that you're reaching, and Trust me, if you follow this script and do a video and send it to your client, you will convert at a much higher rate. Trust me. Okay. So please do it and let me know the results in the comments. I'll be very happy to read them and reply back to them. Now, once you recorded the video, what is the next step? You actually send an email. Now, these tools, they also, tools like, Vimeo Record and Loom, they will give you an easy option to embed a GIF. So when you put that video link in email, it will automatically convert into a GIF, and the GIF has movement, right? So it has my face, okay? It has some action of, me waving the hand. And so when I record my videos, I keep my client's, website in the background, okay? So what happens, the client can see that, when they notice, they can see their website. That's the first point of connection that makes them, make a note of, that somebody has to say something about my website. Okay, that's a very powerful psychological trigger, because everybody wants to hear feedback about them or their website or their business. Okay, so now I'm using that imagery where the client's website is here and I am there on screen and I'm waving hands. That is personalization to a next level. Okay, so I just put that GIF in the email and then hit send, okay, along with the meeting booking link, and this has a very high conversion rate. Generally, I close at the 30 to 40% of the video emails sent. Okay, so do practice it and let me know. And this is how you send video emails to connect with the client and get appointments and eventually close them into high paying digital marketing deals. Okay, so if you are someone who is a digital marketing freelancer or agency owner, please use this and let me know the results. Okay, so I hope this video was useful, and if you did enjoy this, please subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. Now, the final question: if you are someone who wants to be coached by me, who wants to become a freelance digital marketer, who already has an agency but you want to scale your business, then I have a free training for you. It's called the 6-step formula to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Be your own boss, work from home, and enjoy doing what you love. Okay, it's a free training. All you have to do is just visit alphamarketer.in/coaching. That's the link. There you can enroll in this. In that training, I will give you the overview about how you should scale your freelancing business, how you should get started with freelancing in the first place. All information regarding freelancing and starting a digital marketing agency. Now, once you are done with that, I invite you to join my coaching program. I have a 90-day coaching program where you can work with me directly and with my team. We will coach you to become a highly paid freelance digital marketer. So if you want to get coached by me and my team, there will be an application form at the end of this training. You have to fill in this application form, because it is not for everybody. We need to find the right fit to work together. And once you apply, and if you're a right fit, then one of my team members will get in touch with you, and we will have a discussion. And if you qualify, then you can work with us and get coached by us to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video, and I also wish that you will make use of this amazing offer to become a freelance digital marketing consultant. Thank you so much. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.